We do not promote any products or platforms in any way. This video is only for educational purposes. A new device called the Hume Band has been circulating online, promoted as a next-generation longevity and metabolic tracker designed to slow physiological aging. It's sold by Hume Health and, interestingly, has no screen, just a sleek wristband and an app that claims to measure heart rate, HRV, SPO, sleep stages, skin temperature, and even your body's metabolic momentum. According to the company, users have gained an average of 6.8 years of extra lifespan by following its AI-powered coaching. That sounds futuristic, but can a $200 wristband really help you live longer? The marketing leans heavily into medical-sounding claims, detect early signs of illness, reverse biological aging, and extend lifespan are bold statements. Yet there are no public clinical trials, no peer-reviewed data, and no DOI references anywhere on the site to support these claims. Numbers like plus 6.8 years of life gained sound scientific, but without proper evidence, they're just marketing slogans. Digging deeper, things start to look even more concerning. The Hume Band itself appears to be a rebranded, drop-shipped wearable nearly identical to models sold on Alibaba for a fraction of the price. Essentially, it's a cheap sensor bracelet repackaged under longevity branding and sold with grand claims about metabolic health and AI-driven insights. The website also displays logos from major outlets like the New York Times, Men's Health, and The Verge, implying those publications have featured or endorsed the product. However, there is no actual coverage from any of those sources. That kind of fabricated association is a major credibility red flag. Customer experiences on platforms like Trustpilot reveal a consistent pattern. Users report that the band and companion scale don't sync properly with the app. Data frequently disappears, and battery life is far shorter than advertised. Others mention terrible or non-existent customer support, long waits for replacements that never arrive, and refund requests that go nowhere despite promises of a 30-day money-back guarantee. Some say they had to fight just to get a response from the company. Many customers describe the product as unfinished and unreliable. Sleep tracking doesn't record properly, results fluctuate wildly, and the app crashes often. Several also mention being charged for subscription tiers that lock basic health data behind a paywall, essentially holding your information hostage unless you upgrade. So, is the Hume Band worth buying? Based on the evidence or lack of it doesn't look like it. The claims of slowing aging or predicting illness have no scientific backing. The device itself appears to be a cheaply sourced wearable, and real customers are reporting major quality and refund issues. If you're serious about health tracking, you're better off with established brands that actually publish their validation data and offer real support. Have you come across the Hume Band or tried it yourself? I'd love to hear your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay alert, because not every AI-powered health breakthrough online is what it claims to be.